The markets are in constant flux, a dynamic ecosystem driven by a multitude of factors. Staying informed is not just an option, it's a necessity. Each week brings fresh data, new trends, and unexpected events. This week is no different. From the S&P 500's recent surge to potential interest rate cuts in Europe, the investment landscape remains complex and ever-changing. Understanding these shifts is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, staying ahead of the curve is paramount. This week we'll delve into the key market indicators, explore notable business developments, and analyze potential risks and opportunities. The S&P 500, a key indicator of the overall health of the U.S. stock market, recently crossed a significant threshold, its 200-day moving average. This move, closely watched by investors, is often seen as a bullish signal, potentially indicating a shift towards a more sustained upward trend. However, caution is warranted. While breaking above this key average can be a positive sign, it's crucial to consider the broader economic context. Factors like trade tensions, interest rate policies, and corporate earnings will all play a role in determining whether this breakout marks the beginning of a new bull market or a temporary surge in an otherwise uncertain environment. The business world is never stagnant. Companies are constantly adapting, innovating, and maneuvering for a competitive edge. This week, 3 companies stand out: Apple, Tesla, and Redfin. Apple, facing a slowdown in iPhone sales, is increasingly reliant on its services division to drive revenue growth. Tesla, meanwhile, is laser-focused on ramping up production and deliveries of its Model 3 sedan in the second quarter, a crucial period for the electric car maker. Redfin, the technology-driven real estate brokerage, has seen its stock price fluctuate in recent weeks as investors weigh the company's growth prospects against the backdrop of a cooling housing market. Section 4, Global Heat Check, Trade Wars, Oil Prices and Interest Rate Puzzles. The global economy is intricately interconnected. Events in one part of the world can ripple outward, impacting markets and economies far beyond their point of origin. This week, 3 key global developments demand attention: China's anti-dumping tariffs, oil price volatility in the Middle East, and the possibility of interest rate cuts by the European Central Bank. China's decision to impose anti-dumping tariffs on certain imported goods has heightened trade tensions, raising concerns about the impact on global growth. Meanwhile, oil prices remain sensitive to geopolitical developments in the Middle East, a region crucial for global energy supplies. The ECB's potential move towards interest rate cuts reflects concerns about slowing economic growth in the Eurozone. Section 5, A Contrarian Play: Uranium's Time to Shine. Amidst the market noise, contrarian investors are always searching for undervalued assets poised for a potential rebound. This week, one such opportunity lies in the uranium sector. Recent data points to a tightening supply-demand dynamic in the uranium market. Global uranium production has struggled to keep pace with demand from nuclear power plants, leading to a drawdown in inventories. This supply squeeze, coupled with growing recognition of nuclear power's role in a low-carbon energy future, could create a favorable environment for uranium prices to rise. Investors willing to embrace a contrarian view might consider exploring long positions in uranium miners. Section 6, Charting Your Course. The importance of informed investing. Navigating the financial markets is akin to sailing through uncharted waters. Information is your compass, guiding you towards opportunities while helping you steer clear of potential hazards. Staying informed is not a passive endeavor, it requires active engagement. Make time each week to review market trends, research companies, and stay abreast of global events. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of investing. Equip yourself with the insights needed to make informed decisions and chart a course towards your financial goals.